Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Alice and this channel is called Alice's Life. If you're new here, you might want to subscribe. I make videos all about horses, academia, travel, books, and today I'm making a video all about how to create a natural glow, natural tan when you have pale skin. So we're going to get straight on, and the first step I would say is to prepare. So to prepare, I like to exfoliate using exfoliating gloves. These usually come as a pair, and they are quite cheap. I think these were from Primark, and they last a while. And I use it alongside this one, and this is an organic cocoa butter body scrub from Holland & Barrett. It smells quite nice. So 2 of these gloves with some of this, exfoliate the areas you want to tan and all over your body really. As well as exfoliating, it's good to keep your skin moisturised, particularly the knees, elbows and hands should be moisturised. So I like to use this Super Duper body butter which I purchased from TK Maxx earlier this year. I actually use this every day. I like the smell, it's not strong and it goes quickly. And this one, I think I purchased this one from Poundland. It's from Nivea and it smells like rose. I don't think I saw rose, but I don't like the smell of rose. I don't know, I think it just smells like babies. Yeah, so anyway, any sort of moisturiser, moisturise every day regardless as whether you are going to be tanning is a good idea if you want to avoid the wrinkles and scaly skin. Then to create a sort of base coat, I like to use, and I have been using, this Bondi Sand Self Tanning Foam in light and medium. Yeah, so I find this really effective. I bought it from Boots, I think, when it was on special offer, and I bought this special Bondi Sands mitt from Amazon for £6. It's an aerated fan. I spray on about 2 lines for each area of my body. I'm going to insert some clips of me tanning in case you want to see that. And I don't know, I just find it really good. This mitt is really good. It's a bit like suede, so you need to make sure you wash it afterwards. So it says actually leave on for long. Anyway, so you do it in like long bits. Don't start doing circles because then you'll get stronger areas and less strong areas. Just do it in sort of long areas and then top up with another sort of 2 squirts. You might want to do this to mix it and then do that, and then tummy. Back's a bit awkward, but I don't really tan my back because no one sees it. But it's a really light shade, and then they do say you're meant to wash it off after about 4 hours, I think. Well, up to 6 hours, but I have left it on all day in the past and I think that led to a better end result. But it tans pretty quickly and it's not sticky, and I actually find this smell quite tolerable because it's not really hideous. It's quite a nice smell. It smells a bit coconutty, makes the bathroom smell like coconuts. Yeah, so that's how I get my base coat all over. Just make sure you shower it off and properly clean this and get all the tan off it, and then dry it so it's ready for your next use. Then to tan my face, I like to use this St. Tropez Self Tan Purity Spray. So I've got this in Boots on the sale, I think. You can use it over makeup, apparently, but I find it really effective. It lasts ages because I only seem to have used this much, and I have actually used it quite a lot. It smells like tropical scent, and I find it does actually work. So this will last till next year. It's only 80mm. It looks like more than 80. It's really lightweight, easy to wear, and it's just good for getting a bit of glow, because ideally you should be wearing SPF on your face if you're out in the sunshine or day-to-day use. So this is good to get a bit of a summer glow, and it's a product I really have been enjoying using. So that St. Tropez thing can be used daily, I suppose, to kind of maintain the tan, or every couple of days. because you might not see an effect the first time. Then to maintain my tan, I like to use tanning drops and a moisturiser or gradual tanner. So these are Gradual tanning drops, 97.3% natural. It's only a 6mm container, but it has actually lasted ages. I'm only halfway through it so far. Yeah, so it says add about 5 drops for your body. So I like to mix a bit of a moisturiser in with the tanning drops, then mix it in with my finger. Or I use this one, which I didn't find that effective as a gradual tanner, but I have been using this as a moisturiser in an effort to try and use it all up. Using tanning drops to maintain the tan can be a really good way just to keep the tan consistent and keep the colour glowing. Then I kind of let it all fade for a while before I start again with this one and get the tan going again. Depends how much skin is on reveal, because if I'm just wearing leggings and things, then no one's going to see whether I'm tanned or not, so I just leave it. Yeah, so that's basically how I maintain my summer tan, or how I get a natural glow as a pale skinned person, naturally pale skinned. And I think this tan looks like I've actually been on holiday for about 2 weeks, although my arms are a little bit natural from horse riding, but my tummy and my legs look better because I actually bothered to gradual tan them a little bit more. Okay, so that's all for this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and you might want to subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Bye.